If you love secret nature spots but hate crowds, then Bosnia's waterfalls are your perfect escape. Ready for a quick waterfall hit list? Let's go! Bosnia and Herzegovina packs punch-sized waterfalls everywhere. The thunder of Kravica Kravica drops in a wide curtain, perfect for dramatic photos. The Emerald Pools of Skakavac. Skakavac is a tall, misty single plunge near Sarajevo. A short hike, big payoff. Don't miss Pliva's cascading lakes. Don't miss the postcard-worthy Štrbački Buk in Una National Park. Quick tips. Go early, wear grip shoes, respect local rules, use stock visuals that match each spot. Fast facts done, pack a rain jacket and a camera.